Hello alarm lover, meet this stand earpod to protecting your earpod that you open display at your gadget store. You can see this is for hanging earpod. This is our earpod to hanging like this. Okay, and this is a hole that you must to close when you ready to open display. Close like this. Okay. This is the other. This is for connector to your device, like MP4 or MP3. Okay, and this is, you can see the lock in here. You cannot open this door. Okay, this is a stand earpod. To open this lock, you must use the detacher, magnet detacher. You can see, it. Okay, already open. You can see already open. Then you pull slowly when you want to release this earpod. Okay, you can see. Okay.